At Activ8 Energies, we don't just meet standards, we set them. But what does that really mean? It means that every step of your solar PV installation is fully managed from our state-of-the-art headquarters in Carrickmacross, County Monaghan. We never use subcontractors to install your system. Why? Because quality isn't outsourced. From the bespoke design of every system on every home to the installation itself, every step of the process is completed by our fully trained Activ8 team. At the Activ8 Solar Academy, each of our installers undergoes rigorous training, 80 hours in the classroom and 160 hours of hands-on experience. Activ8 have installed over 250,000 panels across Ireland since 2007. But we don't just install solar, we innovate. Like Atlas, the first solar PV panel designed specifically for Irish weather conditions, engineered in Ireland by Activ8 Energies. And Energy Hub, designed by Activ8 and SSE Airtricity. The Energy Hub app uses AI to charge your battery at the cheapest rates and sell back to the grid at the optimum time, maximizing your savings. As the first solar company in Ireland to achieve ISO accreditations for exceptional quality management systems, health and safety and environmental standards, Activ8 take every possible step in ensuring the safest and highest quality works. On every install, Activ8 assume the role of PSCS, meaning we own the site for the duration of the install. That means Activ8, not our customers, have full liability for all actions on site. And when complete, we don't just walk away. We conduct a full on-site quality control audit to ensure our industry-leading standards are maintained by all install teams at all times. Our dedicated in-house customer service team will be on hand to handle any queries, giving you peace of mind that you're in good hands. So, when you choose Activ8, you're not just choosing solar, you're choosing experience, innovation, and the highest standards in the industry. Activ8, we don't just meet standards, we set them.